Welcome to a new video on top 5 features of virtual instructor training. VILT has become more popular among individuals and businesses to learn and develop new skills, especially in the post-pandemic world where remote work has become the new norm. Here's the list of top 5 features with a brief explanation for each one of them. Interactive whiteboards. With interactive whiteboards, participants can collaborate in real time, making learning engaging and more effective. Screen sharing. Screen sharing allows trainers to show participants how to use the software and other tools and also enables remote troubleshooting. Breakout rooms. Breakout rooms allows participants to work in small groups, fostering collaborations and discussions. Recording and playback. Recording and playback enables participants to review sessions that they have missed and to revisit sessions for further understanding. Analytics and reporting. Analytics and reporting provides valuable feedback on the effectiveness of training and helps trainers to improve their skills. So these are the top 5 features of VILT. These features can be used by businesses and individuals to create engaging and effective training that can be delivered remotely. I hope this video was helpful to you.